Good day, my Sierra Leonean friends and family. This is the Master Dream Builder. You know, I say all the time, this is Reggie Cole. Vision is not sight. 97% of people only they respond to it and see. Now, I make I put this together. Only 3% can see a future before it exists. That's why we don't argue, we don't shout, and we don't beg for belief. What you see so now on your screen is made visible. This now waiting the $100 billion GDP plan look like once we don't deliver them. You understand them? So once we don't deliver the $100 billion business plan, now this one I'm going to see. You see Sierra Capital Holdings, the engine room of national production. You see Freetown transformed, organized, electrified, alive from Lumley to the hills. You see railways restored, airlines expanded, Africa connected to the world. You see villages organized, culture preserved, dignity restored, palm wine industrialized, water bottled and exported, farming scaled, manufacturing alive, no more raw exports, no more imported basics. You see Kenema modernized, Bo organized, Forabe College reborn, the Athens of Africa, upgraded for the future. You see roads flowing, cities glowing, industries working. This is production. This is dignity. This is prosperity. So I ask one question. Who don't want this for Salone? If you want this for Salone, I'm looking for the leader that's ready for us to execute this plan. The wagon is ready. The bag is packed. It's time to move the 100 billion GDP interaction. Let's go, Sierra Leone. God bless you.